Welcome to our Microsoft PowerPoint next tutorial. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add morph transition into an existing PowerPoint slide. Okay, first of all, you just create your design first, and to add your transition, just click this slide icon, right click and duplicate slide. Okay, then just go to first slide and arrange all of your shapes randomly here and there, no problem. And just change the position of your text, change the color as well. Okay, just like this. I'm decreasing the size for the circle. Okay, now complete. To add transition, just click morph option and see just a magic. Okay, wow, interesting, isn't it? Okay, unclick this option on mouse click and click this option. Okay, just look how it look like. Okay, thank you so much all of you guys. See you soon. Our next exciting PowerPoint tutorial coming soon. Till then, just keep practicing and have a relax.